Hi, I'm Gail from OurSpace, and welcome to another one of our craft videos. My partner Peggy can't be here today because she's not feeling well, so I will be making my craft as a surprise for her, but shh, don't tell her, okay, Ayala? And with me today is
Hi, I'm Ayala.
Ayala. What are we making today?
We're going to be making wrapping paper.
Okay, let's see yours. Nice. Okay. So before we get started, we're going to do a breathing exercise to get us ready to craft. And today we're going to do the elevator breath. And what you're going to do is we're going to take a deep breath in and we're going to ride the elevator up to the place where they make wrapping paper. And today it's going to be us making the wrapping paper. And then as you exhale, we'll go back down. Okay, and we're going to do that 2 times together. Ready? Okay, so we're going to take a deep breath in. And exhale. And one more time. Inhale. And exhale. Okay, we're ready to go. So, Ayala, what supplies do we need for this craft?
Paper or a paper bag, paint or markers, and a paintbrush.
Okay, great. So, the way I did mine, and this was so simple, I just think it's really fun, whether it's the holidays or anytime, if you're going to wrap a gift, to just make it yourself as opposed to buying wrapping paper. So, I just took a piece of paper and just with markers, I just covered it in a design. And while you're showing yours, I'm going to continue my design so that the whole page is covered. And then later, the gift I have for Peggy, I'm going to wrap with this paper. So I'm gonna finish this right now and you can show us how you did yours.
Awesome. I love that so much.
Thanks.
Really nice. So for mine, I took a brown paper bag and I cut it into the size that I thought I could use for my little gift. And then I took some paint and mixed it with a little bit of water and I splattered it. And I'll show you how I did that. And for these little explosion firework looking things, what I did was I added a little extra water and I blew on it.
Oh,
So I'm gonna start a new one and I'm bringing in some new colors. I got my little plate that I actually used for the Forky Bears
oh
or
yeah.
the Cardinals. The
Yeah.
Cardinals. All right. So just gonna mix this pink with water. Pink's my favorite color, so I had to go for it.
And you make it pretty thin, right?
Yep, pretty thin, you know. And then once you got some on the brush, and you'll find depending on how much water you use, it'll look a little bit different. You can get different kinds of splatters.
That's fun.
It's really fun.
And then can you show how you did the one where you blew on it?
Yeah, absolutely. Let me grab some green and add some water. So I made a little, rather than dripping, I made a little circle with the watery paint.
Yeah.
And I just blew on it until I liked
Oh,
how it
that's
looked.
nice.
See, now there's this little, don't know how well you can see that,
Yeah, we can.
but
That's so cool.
yeah, it's a lot of fun.
Wow. So you'll keep working on that and then you will have another finished product. I forgot that I have a joke to tell you.
Ooh,
what kind of prehistoric animal likes to wrap gifts?
What kind of prehistoric animal?
I'm going to tell you,
likes to wrap- I have no idea.
a velociraptor.
Oh, that's cute. I love that.
Thank you. So we're both
Oh.
going to finish these later because I have a lot more that I want to fill in, and I know that you do too.
Mhm.
But thanks for joining us today. And if you want to see more of our craft videos, you can go to our website at www.ourspacerocks.org.
That's a wrap.